It seems like my dog is watching my every move. Like, no matter where I go. He literally right there looking at me. What you want now? What you want? What's up? Do you go outside or something? You need to go outside? Is that what you need to do? Alright, I'm gonna get up in about 2 seconds, okay? Can you give me like 2 seconds? Can you give me 2 seconds, Prince? Naveen. Prince Naveen! It's very cold out here. To me, it's windy. Are you still using the restroom? Or are you done? I need you to hurry up because it's windy.